Packaging and shipping an order for an e-commerce marketplace can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Gather your supplies. You will need packaging materials such as boxes, bubble wrap, packing tape, packing peanuts, and labels. Make sure you have enough supplies to package and ship the order securely. Prepare the item for shipment. If the item is fragile, make sure to wrap it in bubble wrap or other protective materials. If it is small, consider placing it in a padded envelope or small box. If it is large or heavy, use a sturdy box. Label the package. Include the shipping address and the return address on the package. If you are using a shipping label, make sure it is clear and legible. Secure the package. Use packing tape to secure the box or envelope. Make sure there are no loose flaps or edges that could get caught in machinery during transit. Choose a shipping method. There are several shipping options available, including USPS, UPS, FedEx, and DHL. Choose the method that best suits your needs based on the item's size, weight, destination, and delivery timeframe. Calculate shipping costs. Use the carrier's online shipping calculator to estimate the shipping costs based on the package's weight and destination. Pay for shipping. You can purchase shipping labels and pay for shipping online through the carrier's website, or at a local shipping center. Ship the package. Take the package to the shipping center or schedule a pickup if the carrier offers that service. Update the order status. Once the package has shipped, update the order status in your e-commerce platform, and provide the customer with a tracking number so they can monitor the package's progress. By following these steps, you can ensure that your customer receives their order securely and on time.